All right, folks, so our new world's best cushions are more comfortable with thicker foam. They're thicker than our standard cushions and have really a premium fabric. It has a 300 GSM, that stands for grams per square meter. So it's more fabric and more thickness of that fabric, more material for every square inch, or in this case, square meters is how it's measured. So one of the things that this cushion has is that it's Teflon treated. That means it's stain resistant. So we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna try pouring some of this wine on this brand new cushion and remove the stain. And hopefully, if all goes well, this will be stain free. We're gonna try it out and see if this cushion will do what we say it does and then be truly stain free. Let's find out. All right, so you're enjoying, you're having a good time. We're at the parties. You know your guests are gonna be enjoying and having a good time, and wine is definitely gonna be part of the occasion. But what happens? You all drinking? No, I'm not gonna drink on the job. But someone inevitably does this. Now look at that. Oh, look at that bead. Now that's beautiful to see, in that wine isn't getting soaked. The Teflon is doing its job. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, wow. Now that is cool. The Teflon treated cushion, look at that. It's just beading right off. Oh, wow. Look at that, gone, gone, gone. That is amazing. That is amazing. You know what? You guys want to pour a little bit more and see if it does it again? Yeah! Let's do some more. There's a little bit right there. Look at that, it just beads right off. Almost as if you had just a clean wax on your car and it's just beading off the material. That's amazing. Look at that. Brand new. Just want to try it, make sure we don't leave anything on it, but perfect. We did this on camera. We spilled the wine. It beads right off, no stains. This is an incredible cushion. That's why we call it the world's best cushion. It's thicker, it's tougher, it's easier to use, easy to replace cushions, and it's the most comfortable one out there. So get yours today at Chivari.com.